And the race on Erica's talent. From the outside is Flying Eyes. Down on the inside, Bull Rock rushing up is Devil Rising is Speedy Kim. Down on the inside, Arsenal. Third last, Michaela's Music and Algernon Sherman. Erica's Talent by 2 lengths, followed by Devil Rising. Bull Rock is racing in third by Daryl, rushing up Michaela's Music. Arsenal is racing in fifth by Alancanao, Speedy Kim, Flying Eyes, Algernon Sherman. Passing the half-mile post, Erica's Talent, Devil Rising, Michaela's Music. Arsenal down on the inside, rising up Flying Eyes, Bull Rock, and Speedy Kim. Rounding the far turn, Devil Rising is now the leader, Michaela's Music. Rushing up, Flying Eyes on the further outside, Arsenal, Erica's Talent fading out as they race the final corner. Arsenal by the rail. On the outside is Flying Eyes. Flying Eyes now the leader, Arsenal, Devil Rising, Michaela's Music, Speedy Kim. And nearing the last 150, Flying Eyes increasing its marker to about 5 lengths over Speedy Kim. And finally, Flying Eyes, Speedy Kim, Devil Rising, close, Algernon Sherman, Michaela's Music, number 10, Arsenal, Erica's Talent, Bull Rock, and Red Hot.